Welcome to Groweon CRM. Today, we're going to explore how you can work effectively with every lead. Once you're logged in, head over to the Leads tab to see all your incoming and existing leads. The lead board is divided into 4 sections: all active leads, new leads, today, follow-up, and pending follow-up. All active leads include leads that have come in today, yesterday, or anytime, but they are live and require your attention. New leads are those that have arrived today or haven't had any follow-up yet. Today's follow-up includes leads that need to be followed up on today. Pending follow-up refers to leads with a follow-up in place but without a new follow-up date set. On each lead, you'll find a description required from the customer on the left and the customer's contact details on the right. You can add a tentative closure date and deal value to each lead. This helps in forecasting the lead based on your discussions. Feel free to edit the lead title and the description as per customer requirements. You can tag additional products to a lead and mark it as a star if it's an important lead. You have the option to change the follow-up stages of the lead using thumbs up. These stages are customizable, allowing you to create your own stages according to your sales pipeline. If a lead is not suitable or doesn't meet the company's requirements, you can reject it using the thumbs down. This helps improve future leads and analyze the reasons for losing a lead. Set follow-ups with specific times, change the assignee or add a lead observer if needed. The lead observer will be visible in the lead observer section. You can identify the observer on a specific lead here. To change the status of the lead, click on Status. You can also change the lead source by clicking here. If you need to update the lead, click on the Update section. You can record discussions, reminders, or any notes and also change the stage from here. From here, you can add a follow-up. To view the lead history, click on Lead History to see all updates made. You can also add notes to the lead. To edit customer information, click the Edit icon. The page will open, allowing you to update any details. Add additional fields if necessary. To view company details, click here. You can view company details and upload documents like KYC. It's customizable, so you can add any required documents. For additional contacts for the lead, use the Additional Contact option available to add more contacts. To view or edit company information, you can do so from here. The crown indicates if it's a priority or paid customer. Repeat buyer shows how often this lead has appeared in the system. The call icon allows you to directly connect a call via your SIM if the mobile app is open. To send a WhatsApp message, click on WhatsApp and choose to send via mobile WhatsApp or web WhatsApp. We offer customizable WhatsApp templates. With one click, the template populates. To send information via email, you can do so here as well. You can create one-click templates to add your company brochure or send a price list. This section allows you to set up meetings online or offline. We've created a detailed video on setting meetings available on our YouTube channel. Check out our YouTube channel for more on setting up meetings. We also offer a WhatsApp API, which, when configured, displays a chat icon for centralized communication. The centralized WhatsApp chat feature is available along with a common lead pool. This pool includes leads from bulk uploads or lead syncing through APIs, serving as the landing area for all leads. From the common lead pool, users can reassign leads to themselves if needed. We also offer another lead view for effective management if you prefer the list view. Options for bulk assignee changes and bulk regrets of leads are available. You can add new leads from here. Bulk upload leads from this section. Utilize the filter effectively, and we have a separate video to guide you through this. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more related videos. This is the overview of the features of Leadboard. I hope you now understand how to work on leads effectively. For more details and feature videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.